How to buy Bitcoin in Etoro. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy Bitcoin in Etoro. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to buy Bitcoin in Etoro, what you want to do is first you want to open up an account. Once you have opened up account, you can go ahead and add funds. In order to deposit funds, you can head over to wallet option on your screen and then tap on transfer. Under transfer, you'll find the deposit tab. You can tap on it and you can add your details and deposit funds into your account. Once you have deposited funds, you want to head over to discover option. From there, at the search bar, you can search in for Bitcoin or BTC. And once you have done so, you'll see the trade option. You can tap on it, or you can tap on Bitcoin and open it up. Tap on trade option then, and now you can see it. I don't have enough here, so it'll ask you how much money you would like to invest. You can tap on particular amount there, deposit $100 in order to open this trade, and tap on deposit, and then go ahead and open up the trade and place the buy order. So this way you can buy Bitcoin in Etoro. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.